Hello, everybody. So, I've got some exciting news. I'm launching a new initiative which is different from what I've offered before. And I think it's got enormous, amazing potential, right? And this is actually one of my visions is for this community to be a community of flow, a community of deep practice, and a community of deep work. And I love this teaching from the Vedas that ideally we should not have to work any more than 4 hours a day. I mean, think about it, birds and bees and animals, they can build their nests and the place they stay rather quickly. It's only us human beings that take 30, 40 years to collect all the resources to buy a house. So something super inefficient in the way we go about things. And I remember this example of on a television show, there was this big kind of concave mirror, and they were focusing the sunlight on a rock, and they were asking people, what do you think will happen when the sunlight falls on this solid granite? So someone said nothing will happen, someone said, oh, it'll get really hot, someone said it might break. But when they actually did it, it was surprising. The rock began to melt like wax. It's incredible. And that's the power of focus. That sunlight would have fallen on the rock for millions of years. Nothing much would have happened. But in a matter of minute or less, actually, it was less than a minute, a concave mirror about this size, focusing the sunlight on the rock, it began to melt like a candle. This is solid rock. Now that's the power of focus. And I would like to harness this power in my life and in the life of people who are close to me. So I'm starting an initiative called Riyaz. It's inspired by musicians and artists who train for about 4 hours a day. And I've actually made a video explaining more. But I want to add a little bit more in this particular video. Essentially, I want to do a trial run starting in this September, actually, 21st, 22nd. We'll take a day's break in between. And 24th, 25th. That's Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, and Friday. And we're going to practice for 4 hours each of those days. So 2 p.m. to 6 p.m. India time. I know it doesn't suit everybody in all the time zones, but I'm just going to go with what works for me at this time, and we can play around later on. So essentially, you're going to be logging in. There's going to be a Zoom link. You're going to log in. First half an hour, I'm just going to do a little guided meditation, and then get you to tune into what you want to practice, because this is actually about you, not just about me. So it's about what you want to practice for the next 3 hours, and a small meeting in a breakout room, talking to a few others, discussing what your plans are for the next 3 hours. Next 3 hours is the bulk of it. This is the main part of what we're doing. It is deep practice, deep work. And it could be something, could be a hobby you want to practice, could be a book you want to read, could be a long-term goal that you want to work towards, could be rethinking something, envisioning something, writing your book, whatever it is you want to do. But basically, it is focus time with short breaks in between. And those breaks will include some little physical movement, you stretch yourself. It's important to alternate hyperfocus and scatter focus, right? And then the last half an hour will be about reviewing how did it go, and could we have been more effective? Can we learn something for the last 3 hours? Sharing with each other, celebrating what we practice. So it's a 4-hour investment, and I believe if we practice like this, even in this trial run, which I'm just doing to fine-tune this program, actually, I'm actually offering this program at a huge discount for now, because I know the value of this. This is incredible. Those of you, and of course this is not for everybody. Some of you are already in jobs and you're working, and you maybe don't need this. But there are some of us who tend to be accountable to ourselves. And it's very, very helpful for us to have something like this. If you're focusing for about 4 hours a day, it's incredible the kind of acceleration you can find in your life, in your purpose, the kind of flow states you can achieve, and especially with the help of a community. And it's going to be really amazing. I'm so excited about this. And this is actually exactly what I've always wanted. I don't want to be always call it, I'm not a guru, but guru mode, dispensing knowledge. I want people to access their own inner light and high concentrated states where you are doing what's meaningful to you is exactly the way to do that. So while I'm happy to facilitate this, I want you to be able to do this. And at the end of this 4 days, it's coming up a few weeks from now, you can decide if you want to join me in October onwards for this program, or you can just do this on your own. The good news is this will give you enough. You don't even need to join me. You can just do this with you and your own friends. So that's what I wanted to share. There's going to be a link below this. You can sign up. I have limited seats for this trial program, so you want to sign up really, really fast and join me. It's going to be amazing. I tell you, it's going to be such a lot of fun. See you soon. Lots of love.